Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the inverse function. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put 1 minus s squared go to the left. Next, we need to distribute this one, and we have y multiplied by number 1, y multiplied by s squared. Now, we need to arrange a little bit. So, we can apply the formula to find the solution of quadratic equation. So that is about as squared plus bs plus c equals to number 0. So in this situation, so we see that 8 equal to negative y, b equals to negative number 1, c equals to y. So we have delta equals to b squared minus 4ac. So we put negative number 1 gone here. 8 we have negative y and positive y. So this one we have number 1 plus 4y squared. And now we can find the value of s. That is about negative b minus the square root of delta over 2/8. Similar for the second one, but that is about negative a plus the square root of delta over 2/8. So for the first one, that should be like this. So we have negative number 1 with negative, we have positive, and this one, that is about this one over 2/8. We have negative 2y. Now we go to the second one. Now let's consider about the conditions. So we can say that s between negative number 1 and positive number 1. So let's say I select about 0.5 for example. So if we put 0.5 cone here and here, we can see that this value in here we have positive. That means y should be about positive. However, if we know that this one positive because this is under the square root with the power 2, so they always positive. But this one we have negative because we have negative number 2. Negative number 2 with the positive we have negative. That means they always negative when s equal to 0.5, because we put 0.5, that's about positive number, but this one that is about negative number, so we need to reject about this one. So we just select only this one. So the final answer for the question in here, that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.